Hello everyone! Today, learn how to delete downloaded videos from Telegram. Let's dive in. Open Telegram and tap on the three dashed lines in the top left corner. Then, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and find Data and Storage. Tap on it. You'll see Storage Usage at the top. This shows how much space Telegram's data occupies on your device. To delete downloaded videos and other cache data, simply tap on Clear Cache. Confirm the action, and all downloaded content will be removed. This method helps to free up space on your device. And there you have it, all the Telegram cache content gone. If this quick guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.